Dear friends, in the previous class we discussed about some problems on Pythagoras theorem. So now let us take page number 57. Page 57, example 14. Example 14. 14th problem you analyze. What is that? O is any point inside a triangle ABCD. Prove that OB square plus OD square equals OA square plus BC square. Is it right? That you are required to draw a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle. You are required to draw a rectangle. Now O is a point. O is a point on what? Inside the rectangle. Inside the rectangle, O is a point inside the rectangle. Then what? We require to prove that OB square plus OD square equals OA square plus OC square. Is it? So now what? Data. What is data? ABCD is a rectangle. If ABCD is a rectangle, angle A equals angle B equals angle C equals angle D is equal to 90 degree. It is 90. It is understood. ABCD rectangle andre understood it is. Now diagonals are equal adandre helkobodu. Ille nadra avashyakate illa namage. ABCD is a rectangle. Next to prove what we require to prove? We have to prove that OB square plus, is it? OB square plus OD square is equal to OA square plus OC square. OA square plus OC square. Is it? Now you require to draw a construction. Yaki construction ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Why do you require to do this? Now here OB means there must be a right angle triangle. There is no right angle triangle here. Therefore, draw a line set PQ. PQ is a parallel line parallel to AB and then DC. Parallel line. Parallel line. We shall see. You see PD equals CQ, AP equals BQ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Is it? Now draw PQ parallel to DC parallel to AB through O. Therefore, AP is equal to BQ and then PD is equal to QC and then PQ perpendicular to AD. You see, this PQ is perpendicular to AD means here it is 90 degree. Here it is 90 degree. Similarly, here PQ is perpendicular to BC. PQ is perpendicular to BC. If you have this PQ is perpendicular to BC, here it is 90 degree and here it is 90 degree. Is it? Now you want OB square. You take this triangle OQB. In triangle OQB. Now take proof. In triangle OQB. In triangle OQB. What is that angle? Q is equal to 90 degree. Angle Q equals 90 degree. Therefore, OB square equals OQ square plus BQ square. OQ square plus BQ square. This is according to Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. It is from Pythagoras theorem. In the same way, in triangle OD this is triangle OPD. In triangle OPD, angle P equals 90 degree. ಯಾಕೆ triangle ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ? You want body square. Where is body? This body is lies in this triangle. Therefore, take OPD triangle. Angle P equals 90 degree. Therefore, OD is hypotenuse. OD squared equals PD squared plus PO squared. You see, PD squared plus PO squared, OP squared. Next, in triangle, I am going to in triangle APO. Again, angle P equals 90 degree. So what is that? AO square or OA square equals AP square plus OP square. AP square plus OP square. Next, in triangle OC in triangle this OC OQC triangle. Illu is OC, but in the 90 degree gottilla namaga adike we are not going to take this triangle. Take this triangle OQC. In triangle OQC, angle Q equals 90 degree. Is it right? Angle Q equals 90 degree. Then what? OC square equals OQ square plus QC square. OQ square plus QC square. OC square equals OQ square plus QC square. Ist bandmele now consider you take OB square plus OD square. Now here prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. OB square plus OD square equals this is what is OB square plus OD square? OB is what? OQ square plus BQ square plus OD square. What is OD square? PD square plus PO square. PD square plus PO square. ನಂಗೀಗ OB square plus OD square ಇದೆ. ಈ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ OA ಬೇಕು. OA square ಅಂದ್ರೆ AP square plus OP square. OP square ಇದೆ. ಆದರೆ AP ಇಲ್ಲ. AP ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ BQ. ನೋಡಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ BQ. ಈ BQ ತೆಗೆದು AP ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಾಗೇನೆ ನಮಗೆ OC square ಬೇಕು. OC square equals OQ square plus QC square. OQ ಇದೆ. QC square ಬೇಕು. QC ಯಾವಾಗ ಸಮ? PD equals QC. Is it right? So therefore, what is that? BQ is equal to AP and one more thing. ಯಾವುದು? QC is equal to OQ ಇದೆ. QC PD is equal to QC. PD equals QC. Substitute these values here. Then what? OP square plus OD square is equal to OQ as it is plus OQ square plus next. Instead of BQ, you write AP. BQ बदले AP बनेगा. AP square plus PD square बदलेगा. PD बदलेगा QC बदलेगा. QC square plus OP square or PO square. PO square ಈಗ combine it. AP square plus OP square ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇವೆರಡು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ so this is AP square plus PO square plus AP square PO square plus OQ square plus QC square. Now combine these two, AP and then PO. sum of AB square plus BO square is AO square plus next OQ and then OC. What is that? OQ square and QC square is OC square. Is it right? So this is OB square plus OD square, AO square plus OC square. This is the way how we get it. Is it? So this is how we can solve that problem. We can take up next problem. The next problem, exercise 2.5, fourth problem. Exercise 2.5, fourth problem you may observe. What is the fourth problem? ABC is an isosceles triangle angled at C. Prove that AB squared equals 2AC square. Go through the figure. ABC is a right angle triangle and it is angle C is 90 degree. It is an isosceles triangle also. Isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle means the sides which containing the right angle are equal. These two sides are equal. Isosceles means the two sides are equal. That is what BC and AC are equal. Then we require to show that AB square equals 2 times of AC square. It's very easy. In triangle ABC, angle C equals 90 degree, and then AC equals BC. Is it? AC equals BC is an isosceles triangle. Now AB squared equals AC squared plus BC square. AB squared equals AC squared plus BC square. Now BC is same as AC. So therefore, instead of BC we write AC. Because BC equals AC, in the place of BC we write AC. Therefore, AB squared equals AC squared plus AC square 2 times of AC square. AB squared equals 2 times of AC square. That's a very simple problem. Now take next sixth problem we may consider. After this, fifth problem is same type. Fifth problem is same type. AC squared plus AC squared ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Fifth problem ಗೆ AC equals AB ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿ, AC equals BC ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿ, AC is BC ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ you will get that AB squared equals AC squared plus BC square. Therefore, angle C is 90 degree. Hence, it is what? According to converse of Pythagoras theorem, ABC is a right angle triangle. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾವುದು? Fifth problem. Now take sixth problem. Sixth one ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೋಡಿ ಏನಿದೆ sixth one. ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A. Find each of its altitude. ಹೌದಾ? It's an equilateral triangle. Draw an equilateral triangle. ABC is an equilateral triangle means all the three sides are equal. ABC is an equilateral triangle. You require to find out what? The perpendiculars. Altitude means perpendicular. They have one that sides. It is 2A. Now draw perpendicular. One perpendicular is right. Draw AD perpendicular to BC. This is perpendicular. What is the concept? In an equilateral triangle, the perpendicular bisect the side. That means BD equals DC. If BC is 2A, BD is A and then A like that. Is it? Find out one altitude and all the altitudes are equal here. In an equilateral triangle, all the altitudes are equal. Ella equal irtave. Gottaagbidutte nimage. Yes. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC is equal to BC is equal to 2A. AB equals AC equals BC equals 2A. And then what? Therefore, and AD perpendicular to BC. You know that in an equilateral triangle, the perpendicular line bisects the side or the base. Therefore, BD equals DC is equal to A. Consider here one of the triangle. What is that in triangle? You require to find out what is AD. AD base number. Is it? AD equals what? Altitude means perpendicular. Height. In triangle ABD. In triangle ABD. What is that? Angle D equals 90 degree. Apply the Pythagoras theorem. When you apply the Pythagoras theorem, it is AB square equals AD square plus BD square. AB square equals AD square plus BD square. AB is 2A whole square equals AD we don't know. We require to find out. BD is A square. Is it? 2A whole square is 4A square equals AD square plus A square. Bring A square to left hand side. Then what? AD square equals 4A square minus A square. This is 3A square. AD square equals 3A square. AD equals root of 3A square. Is it right? What is the square root of A square is? A. Therefore, AD is equal to root 3 into A. Or A root 3 this is AD. Now, the height of an equilateral triangle with side to A. With side to A. If 2A is the side of an equilateral triangle, then altitude is A root 3. All the altitudes are equal here. Is it? So this is 6th problem. Let us take the 7th problem. Just observe 7th problem. What is that 7th problem? What it says? Prove that sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. Sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to sum of the squares of its diagonals. That is what we require to equal to sum of the squares of its diagonals. You see, say ABCD is a rhombus. What are the properties of the rhombus? The properties of the rhombus are the sides are equal. Sides are equal. All the 4 sides are equal. The diagonals bisect perpendicularly. They are not equal. Bear in your mind, they are not equal. They are bisect perpendicularly. Perpendicular and bisect. OD is equal to OB. OA equals OC. But BB is not equal to AC. Is it? The diagonals bisect each other perpendicularly. Now take data. What is data? ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. And then what? If ABCD is a rhombus, AB equals BC equals CD equals AD. AB is equal to BC is equal to AD is equal to BC like that. All the 4 sides are equal and diagonals bisect each other means what is that? BO equals OD and then AO equals OC like that. AO equals OC, BO equals BO in that way. Now to prove what we require to prove, we have to prove that sum of the 4 squares of the 4 sides. What is that? AB square plus BC square plus DC square plus AD square equals sum of these squares of its diagonals AC square plus DB square. AC square plus DB square. That we require to prove. Now how to prove this? Proof. Now consider one triangle AOD. In triangle AOD, angle O is equal to 90 degree. Apply the Pythagoras theorem. AD square is equal to AO square plus DO square. AO square plus DO square ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Is it right? Then what is that AO? Can you say what is AO? AO is equal to OC means AO is half of AC. AO is half of AC means half of AC whole square plus DO means half of DB. This is half of DB whole square. Half of DB whole square. Is it? So therefore what? AD square is equal to half of AC whole square means AC square by 4. Half square means 2 2s are 4. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. Like that. AC square plus DB square by 4. Now take care of LCM and then cross multiply. AD square equals AC square plus DB square by 4. Cross multiply. 4AD square equals AC square plus DB square. What is 4AD? 4AD means AD square plus AD square plus AD square plus AD square equals AC square plus DB square. Is it? So what is AB, BC, AD are they are equal, you know. Instead of AD, you may write AB plus instead of AD, you may write BC. Instead of, you may take AD as it is. Again, for instead of AD, you may write BC square is equal to AC square plus DB square. Sum of the squares of the sides of the rhombus is equal to sum of the squares of its diagonals. AC and DB are diagonals, that is, they are equal. Their sum is like this, some are equal. So this is the way how we can solve it. Is it? So learn it. We shall take up some other problems in the next class. Okay? Thank you.